shout of hallelujah. Oh, everything is working together for our good. At a shout of hallelujah, our miracle is sure, our destiny is secured, our children are saved, our husbands are rescued and they are prospering. Everything that concerns us is working together for our good. Let a woman that is victorious, oh, that the God's blessing will overtake before 2025 is over, that God will remember before this year end, that God will beautify before this year end. Let the shout of hallelujah begin in your mouth and never end. Let the Lord glorify himself in you. Let a woman that wants God to have his way in her life, let that woman shout hallelujah, for the Lord is in charge. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.